What's going on, everybody? Sorry I haven't been making videos lately. I've just been extremely busy with this new system, this new process we are doing, and it takes a very, very long time to create these letters. Everything is being done 100% manually. There is zero software involved, so the letters, start to finish, are being typed up in a Word document. All the letters also include a screenshot of the credit report, again, so we can not only just throw a law or use factual, we are also showing them and highlighting the inaccuracies in those accounts. We want to show them, not just tell them what's inaccurate or erroneous about the account. If y'all have any questions or concerns, leave them in the comments. Hope y'all have a great night.